This is sharp. Good morning, everyone. It's Monday, the 17th of November 2025. It's another bike ride, but there's all bits and pieces I've got to tell you about. Listen out. First off, and the latest thing just happened. This lovely tripod which I've got, oh dear, it fell off the back of the bike, and the camera was on it as well. So I dropped the tripod and the camera, and I got a no, I don't think, not sure if a car ran over it, I don't know, but it's scuffed. Anyway, it's broken off the top end of it. I don't think that's repairable. Might just have to get another one. But the camera, fortunately, was wrapped in this foam. It's a windshield, basically. And I think that saved it, because the camera's a more expensive bit than this. And it seems to have survived. So I'm not going to do any shots holding this or using it as a tripod. But it's a great tripod. Let's see if it'll come out now. Probably won't. Oh no, that comes out there. Oh dear. Anyway, yeah, so that's that. What else? Been doing some more maintenance on the bike. The spokes, by the way, are holding out, as they should, of course. Nothing wrong with that. And as I was looking at the bike, cleaning it down because it was a bit too wet the other day, and I noticed the pedal was stiff. They're cheap pedals, basically, I know that. So anyway, long and short is, one was stiff and wouldn't work. The other one, I didn't quite work out how it was put together inside. And anyway, the ball bearings have gone everywhere. I am going to try and repair them, and I've sent for some more ball bearings. I think they're 3mm, and so I'll get that fixed. But I'll put some old pedals on. They're sort of plasticky ones, but they're okay, they're good. And so that's okay. What else happened? Oh, I bought a new chain ring, because the one that was on the bike originally was only 38 teeth. So even in top gear, with the power assistance and all that, I'm going 16 miles an hour plus for the most part, which is great, but you're pedaling away like Billy-O, even in the top gear. So the chain ring on the front was too small. So then I bought a 42, put that on, and it was still not quite right. So I've just received a 46, which is a nice big jump, and it seems fine. And fortunately, I think the chain is still long enough, but I have ordered a new chain, and I've had a look at how long the chain ought to be. But so I'm testing it out today, and having done that, gone and dropped the camera, broken the tripod, and well, it's a nice bright day, as you can see, but in fact it's blooming freezing. It's only 4 degrees, so it's quite cold, and I've not got perfectly dressed up to it. If you can hear any crackling, it's because I put a plastic bag on my chest, because the chest was getting cold. Right, okay, so we're out and about at least, and it's beautiful, the weather. The light is fantastic. Look at this, down by the canal. Brilliant. So, let's press on. I've got my drone with me. I'm not sure whether I'm going to use it or not. So, I'll get back on the road and see what we can do. Look at that. I'm now filming this without using the tripod or the monopod really is a handle. I've got to just hold it in my hand. Oh dear. So anyway, at least the camera's okay. Just approaching home on the hill, and yeah, it's a lovely day. It's cold. I nearly got the drone out, but I've run out of time now. So, oh dear. I don't know if this is going to be a shorter video, not sure. Anyway, thanks for watching as much as you have, and yep, you'll see me next time. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye.